Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Zopa savings account. Zopa is a popular peer-to-peer lending platform that also offers a range of savings accounts with attractive interest rates. To get the most out of your Zopa savings account, follow these step-by-step guidelines. First, understand the different types of savings accounts offered by Zopa, including fixed-term and easy access accounts. Each account has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it is essential to choose the one that suits your financial goals and needs. Next, learn about the interest rates and terms associated with each account. Zopa offers competitive interest rates, but it is crucial to understand how the rates are calculated and how they can change over time. This will help you make informed decisions about your savings. When opening a Zopa savings account, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions. This includes understanding the minimum and maximum deposit limits, any fees associated with the account, and the process for withdrawing your money. To maximize your returns, consider setting up a regular savings plan. This can help you save a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, which can help you reach your financial goals faster. You can also take advantage of Zopa's mobile app to manage your account and track your savings on the go. Another best practice is to diversify your savings by splitting your money across different accounts. This can help you manage risk and maximize your returns. For example, you could put some of your money in a fixed-term account to earn a higher interest rate, while keeping some in an easy access account for emergencies. It is also essential to understand the tax implications of your Zopa savings account. Zopa savings accounts are eligible for an individual savings account, which means you can earn interest tax-free up to a certain limit. However, it is crucial to understand the tax rules and how they apply to your account. Finally, keep your account secure by using strong passwords and keeping your personal details up to date. Zopa takes the security of your account seriously, but it is also important for you to take steps to protect your money. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of your Zopa savings account and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always read the terms and conditions, understand the interest rates and terms, and diversify your savings to maximize your returns. With Zopa's competitive interest rates and flexible savings options, you can take control of your finances and start saving for the future.